Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious avocado toast. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need one perfectly ripe avocado, which should feel slightly soft when gently squeezed. Next, grab 2 slices of your preferred bread sourdough or a hearty whole wheat work wonderfully. Finally, have your sea salt, freshly ground black pepper, and a wedge of lemon ready for that bright finish. These few items are the foundation for a fantastic breakfast or snack. Now let's prepare our star ingredient. Carefully cut your ripe avocado in half, twisting to separate the 2 sides, then remove the pit. With a spoon, scoop all the vibrant green flesh into a small bowl. Using a fork, gently mash the avocado to your preferred texture. Some people love it super smooth, while others enjoy a few delightful chunks. Don't forget to mix in about 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt, a generous dash of black pepper, and a small squeeze of fresh lemon juice for flavor. While your avocado is ready, let's get the bread perfectly toasted. Place your 2 slices of bread into a toaster or a toaster oven, or even use a pan over medium heat. You want a beautiful golden brown color and a satisfying crispness. The goal is for the toast to be sturdy enough to support the creamy avocado without becoming soft or soggy. This step is crucial for that delightful textural contrast in every bite. With your toast ready and avocado mashed, it's time to bring it all together. Generously spread the seasoned avocado mixture over each warm, crispy slice of toast, ensuring an even layer. Now for the fun part, toppings. Consider a sprinkle of red pepper flakes for a little kick, a dash of everything bagel seasoning, or even a perfectly fried egg for extra protein. Serve your avocado toast immediately to enjoy its fresh flavors and textures. Enjoy your culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.